All right, here we are going to install Python on a Mac computer. So we've navigated to python.org. Let's hover over the Downloads tab. It detects that we're on a Mac computer and we'll install the latest version, which for us right now is Python 3.12. For you, it may be something different. I've already installed this on my machine, but we'll do it again. And we'll just go through the setup and continue through and accept the agreements and install. We can also customize if we want to install it in a different location. I'm proceeding with the installation in the default location. Okay. All right, we fast forwarded through that, but it only took about 30 seconds. We see our installation is complete. We'll close the installer and delete the installer file. It also opened this folder for us, which has some README and other information. We'll open up Terminal now by hitting Command Space and typing Terminal. And here, type Python --version. If a version shows up, I already have Python installed, which is 3.11 for me, but for you it would be 3.12 or whatever version you installed. Then that means that Python is installed. You can also type pip3 --version, and that shows our pip version, which is the Python package manager, which we'll definitely be needing. And we can also type idle3, and that will open up idle, which is the IDE for Python that comes out of the box. So we can run Python directly from here, run our Python code like that. Also, just at terminal, we can type Python and run Python straight from here as well. So we now have verified that our installation is successful and we can run Python code on our Mac computer.